Hello Year 1. Today we are going to carry on with our subtraction and we're going to be looking at subtraction by finding the difference. First of all though, a little warm up for your brain. So last week we looked at subtracting by counting backwards. So have a look at these problems. 4 take away 3 equals and 10 take away 5 equals. So you can pause the video and see, can you work out the answers to those problems? Okay, let's have a look at the answers. So you should have found out that 4 take away 3 equals 1 and 10 take away 5 equals 5. So well done if you managed to find the correct answers. Okay, let's go on to our new learning for today then. So we can use objects to help us find the difference between two numbers. So here we're looking at the difference between 7 and 2. So you can see there are 7 counters here at the top, and then underneath I've made the number that we're finding the difference between, which is 2. So you can use objects at home, anything you've got lying around the house. So if you've got some Lego bricks or some objects, whatever you have, you can line them up in the same way to compare and find the difference between these two numbers. So here we can see the difference is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the difference between 7 and 2 is 5. So let's have a look at this one. This time we're going to use the counters to find the difference between 9 and 3. So again, you can see I've made the 1 number along the top, 9 counters there, and underneath I have made the other number 3. So I've lined up 1 and 1, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, but then you can see, oh, there's a difference here. There's more here. So count really carefully. What is that difference between 9 and 3? Shall we have a look at the answer? So if we count them carefully, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I type in 6, let's check. Fantastic, well done if you said the difference was 6, well done. You can see here, those counters that are the difference, 6. So the difference is 6. Okay, let's look at the next one. So we can also write the difference as a subtraction number sentence. So here we're looking at the difference between 5 and 3. So again, I've got objects. I've got 5 objects, 5 flowers here lined up across the top, and underneath I've lined up 3 objects. So 1 and 1 match together, 2 and 2, 3 and 3, and then, oh, there's a difference here, 1, 2. So the difference is 2. So I can write that as a number sentence that you can see here. 5 take away 3 equals 2. So 5, the flowers along the top, take away 3, the number I'm finding the difference between, and it equals 2, which is the difference between those two numbers. So let's have a look here. This time we want to find the difference between 10 and 3. So again, I've lined up my objects, so 10 flowers, 10 objects across the top, and underneath I've lined up 3 objects. And you can clearly see there is a difference. So we need to count the difference. And then, can we work out which one of these number sentences would match that representation? So would it be 10 take away 3 equals 7? Would it be 7 take away 3 equals 10? Or would it be 3 take away 10 equals 7? So you can pause the video, see if you can find out the answer, what is the difference, and then which one of those number sentences would be correct. Okay, let's have a little look then. So if we have 10 across the top, we're finding the difference between 3. So we would say 10 take away 3 equals the difference, which is 7. So we should have identified this number sentence 10 take away 3 equals 7. Fantastic. There we go. And you can see on this slide, we've counted the difference 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, well done. So now we've learned how to find the difference, we're going to have a go at solving some problems. And you will have a sheet that looks like this in your home learning pack. And I'm going to show you those problems on the screen as well. Okay, so in your home learning pack, you should have a sheet that looks a little bit like this. So you can see there are lots of problems where we need to find the difference. So let's have a look at the first one. So it says find the difference and fill in the missing boxes. So you can see that there are some objects already on your page to help you. So we need to find the difference between 9 and 2. So we've got 9 objects across the top, 2 underneath, and we need to find that difference. So you need to count really carefully and see if you can fill in those 2 boxes. The next problem looks like this. So this time we need to find the difference between 6 and 3. So again, you've got the objects on your sheet, 6, underneath 3. So what is the difference? And then I want you to see if you can have a go at writing the number sentence to match that. Okay, the next problem on your sheet, you've got some pasta here lined up to find the difference between one number. So you need to have a look at the number you've got across the top and the number you have underneath. So the difference between 2 numbers and what is that difference, and then see if you can work out the number sentence as well. And the last problem, again, you've got some objects. So you've got some cubes here, underneath some more cubes. So you need to work out what 2 numbers we're finding the difference between and what is that difference, and see if you can write the number sentence to match it as well. So we'd love to see your photographs of you trying to solve these problems. Okay, so good luck, year 1. Speak to you soon. Bye.